Welcome to SaferBoater. So you're watching this video because you either found our program online or we sent you a request to fill out an application and become one of our SaferBoater Captains. Now we're currently hiring nationwide, and we've started on the East Coast and the Midwest, and we're looking for people who are U.S. Coast Guard certified in one of the different levels and also have a U.S. Powerboating, U.S. Sailing, or National Safe Boater Council certification. Now, if you don't have one of these last three, that's not a big deal. We hold classes all the time for our captains so they can become certified to become an instructor trainer. We're looking for captains who have at least 10 years experience and love sharing their love and knowledge of the water with other people. Plus, if you like making some fantastic income for part-time or full-time work, this might be an opportunity for you. We have a lot of exciting things going on here recently at SaferBoater. Not only do we get calls from people to teach them how to yacht, sail, and drive a powerboat, but we've also just struck a deal with a number of manufacturers and over 400 dealers to provide all of their new boat owners with training. What's exciting and different about our approach is if you think about something like Chick-fil-A, they're the #1 fast food provider out there. And no matter which store you go into, you're going to get the same great experience every time. Well, no matter what manufacturer or dealer you buy your boat from, if you come through one of our new boat dealer programs, you're going to get the same great training no matter who you talk to. So whether you buy in Maine or in Florida, in Texas or Ohio, you're going to get the same great introduction to boating training. Once you have delivered an excellent experience for your new boater, they're going to want to learn more. We often find that people want to learn how to dock or maybe use the boat ramp, or they want to actually learn on open water. Depends on if you live on a lake or in the ocean. But either way, you become that trusted advisor, and you're not out there searching for new clients, because not only do we give you the new boat clients, but you build a relationship and they're going to come back over and over and over to learn more from you. We do have a list of requirements, the first of which being that you have at least 10 years of experience as a captain. And if you're teaching on the ocean, that you have a U.S. Coast Guard master's license. But above all, we want you to be good with people, good with children 10 and above, and also that you make this experience fun. Because what we're doing is we're inviting people into the world of boating, and we're building the relationship so that when you teach them the first course, they're going to want to come back to you and SaferBoater to learn everything else they need to know about operating a boat safely on the water. So if this sounds like an exciting opportunity and you're open to making fantastic income, then go ahead and fill out the application that you see right here, and one of our captains will get back with you as soon as possible. We look forward to speaking with you soon and hopefully welcoming you to the SaferBoater team. Have a great day.